Hello traders and welcome to this real-time supply and demand video. We're going to give you a quick overview of exactly how this tool can help with your trading. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not offer or recommendation to trade future stocks, options, or Forex. The real-time supply and demand tool is going to help you calculate imbalances from volume, blocks of volume, and order flow activity. It helps you measure and visually identify a key trading point in the market. And you have the ability to customize this to any chart type, any time frame, or any market, including futures, ETFs, stocks, and Forex. So you can, again, use this on any time frame that you want. You can trade this on the euro dollar. You can look at an Apple stock. It is going to go ahead and highlight those imbalances, blocks of volumes coming into the market. So it's in form, kind of having order flow activity right there onto your chart. You can see the supply zones here in red. These light pink zones are zones that have been retested already. But this is telling you a lot of sellers are coming in, blocks of volume, blocks of selling volume coming into the market here, really starting to push the market down. You can see down here we have these green zones. The light green zones have our blocks of volume, buy volume coming into the market, pushing the market higher. These light green zones have been retested, and these dark green zones have not been retested. So visually gives you a great idea of what is going on and who is in control of this market. So your first step is to go ahead and download the indicator file below this video. The second step is to watch the market specific settings and strategy jumpstart video to get you started in your market.